I'm Dr. Uche, a practicing physician who's been coaching others to write and publish their biographies since 2013. The first autobiographies I brought to publication were for my dad and granddad, and those took more than 5 years and lots of mistakes. On this channel, I will show you the tools I use to perfect the process so that you can have your biography done in 6 months or less without the delays and mistakes. Remember to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's dig in. Are you excited? I love Christmas. My kids love Christmas, so I always try to put up a show for them. And I'm so excited to be talking to you today, Christmas week. I hope you're doing well, enjoying time at home with family, extended family, immediate family, whatever you're able to put together. Well, we are still working towards getting our biography done in 2025. Yay! I am cheering you on and I am prepping you these last few weeks in December so that you can get ready to doing this in 2025. There's something really important you have to figure out if you want to be in good stead to get started to hit the ground running in 2025. What am I talking about? I'll be right there to explain. It's really important to start thinking about when you're gonna actually do this. When all is said and done, failure to plan is planning to fail, okay? You gotta figure out what is my protected time. You have to carve out your protected time. When is this gonna be? Is this gonna be early in the morning with your cup of coffee? 30 minutes before the day begins? Are you able to wake up early and squeeze in 30 minutes? Is it gonna be 30 minutes on your lunch break if you are at work and you actually have protected lunch break time? Is it gonna be in the evenings after dinner? Is it gonna be just before bedtime? Is it gonna be 3 or 4 days in a week? What is it gonna be? Is it gonna be weekends? Is it gonna be that you have 6 hours every Saturday on a weekend and you really cannot make out time during the week? You have to start figuring that out. When is your protected time going to be? Because once you figure it out, I'm going to give you one more tip. Put it on your calendar, schedule the time, set an alarm. If it's going to be 9 p.m. every day, say 3 days a week, set an alarm for 8:50 p.m., okay? 8:50 p.m. alarm goes off, you know, it's my time to write, okay? You don't even have to write. We've talked about that in another video. It could be your time to dictate. Whatever you're gonna do, set that time, block that time, because again, if you don't schedule this, it won't happen. We all are busy enough. Life doesn't get any less busy. It gets busier and busier. There's always something to do. There's always something competing with your time. But guess what? If you consider this valuable, you're gonna figure out how to do it. And the first step is again to carve out protected time, okay? So I wanna leave that thought in your mind, even as I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you celebrate something else around Christmas, around this time of the year, I wish you the very best, a fun, blessed, and safe celebration. And I will see you, my friend, in 2025. Cheers.